I love Qatar Airways. Hi everyone, David Hoffman here in Miami International Airport, and today I am extremely excited. I'm so pumped because I'm finally going to incredible India. I'm going on an 18-day journey throughout India. I'm going to be stopping in 6 cities. First up is Delhi, then I go to Agra to see the Taj Mahal, Lucknow, Varanasi, Jaipur, and then Mumbai, and then I have a 24-hour connection in Doha. It's gonna be an amazing trip, planning this trip my entire life, just getting ready for it. Super excited. I'm making about like 30 plus videos about street food and food in general. Obviously see the sights and attractions. Food is the reason I'm going to India. It's gonna be like sensory overload, just so many smells and so many flavors. It's gonna be incredible, I can't wait. And today I'm flying with Qatar Airways. This is the best way to get to India from Miami. Qatar Airways on their Boeing 777-300 in business class. My seat is 7A, fly Miami to Doha, 6-7 hour connection there, and then I fly to Delhi. This is an amazing airline. I've flown it once before with my father like 2.5 years ago when we went to China. I love Qatar Airways. You know, they give you pajamas, they give you unlimited food, wine, they basically give you the works. India is gonna be just out of this world. It's like sensory overload. So one of the amazing things about Qatar Airways is they have a dine anytime concept. So when you're in business class, you know, this is almost a 14-hour flight. Right after we take off, you can have dinner or you can have breakfast. If you don't sleep at all during the flight, you can just keep eating whenever you want. Most airlines, they'll give you like a 6 to 8 hour break in between, especially on long flights like this. This is why Qatar Airways is amazing, because they give you food whenever you want. Besides that, you have unlimited drinks and entertainment is outstanding. I can't wait for this flight. Cheers. A soup to start. Then I'm gonna get a smoked salmon with pea and potato salad, and then I'm going with a tikka masala because Indian dish. I'm going to India and I love it. And then there's bread. There's also dessert, and I'm gonna have a Shiraz because I love Shiraz. So to start, I'm going with salmon. It looks really good. That masala was ridiculous. So jelly, delicious. It's my favorite dessert from Italy. So to finish the night and the meal, I'm having Tokaj wine. This is Hungarian wine. This is where my grandmother's from. Some of the best wine in Hungary. Love it. Okay, so I slept like 6 hours. Oh, just waking up. These flat lay beds really help you sleep. I mean, I slept 6 hours. I didn't even notice any turbulence or anything. I was like just knocked out. Yeah, we still have 4 hours. We're gonna have some breakfast, watch another movie, and then we'll be in Qatar. For breakfast, I'm having some salmon, croissant, and then I'm gonna have eggs and sausage. So Miami to Doha with Qatar Airways in business class is the way to do it. It's almost 14 hours. Anything over 10 hours you need to do in business class. Business class is outstanding. It's one of the best business classes I've ever been in. I've been in twice. Lots of leg room, flat lay beds, unlimited entertainment, and the food is delicious. And yeah, so I have a 10-hour connection in Doha. I have a 2:30 a.m. flight to Delhi. So I'm gonna go relax at the business class lounge, just do research and just chill and get ready for tomorrow. Because tomorrow Delhi is gonna be exciting and a very long day. Basically, I'm not gonna sleep anything over the next 2 days. So we're arriving in Qatar, the Persian Gulf. Thank you. Bye.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks. We've arrived in Qatar.
Good afternoon, welcome. Thank you, sir. No boarding announcements aside. Good
Business class lounge?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Thank you, Mr. David. No
Thank
boarding
you.
announcements.
So last time I was in this lounge, I came with my father, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. There's beds, there's food, there's Wi-Fi, there's showers, there's everything here. I'm sorry, can you tell me all that again?
Oh yes, sure, sir. Business class, we do have 2 main dining. Upstairs,
Okay.
we're serving hot food buffet, and another side, we're serving sandwich and salad chest. Washroom and shower, it will be opposite sides, and smoking room at the corner over there, sir.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I got about 9 hours to go. I'm gonna go take a shower, eat some dinner, and relax. As they mentioned before, there's like 2 restaurants. One of them's like a real restaurant with a buffet, and this one they have like sandwiches and drinks. So I got a deli lamb sandwich, it's just roasted lamb. So one of the best parts about this business class lounge is they have showers. I just got off a 14-hour flight. I have a 10-hour connection. Gotta take a shower, gotta get refreshed, re-energized, and get ready for Delhi. I'm extremely tired. I've been editing, and now I'm here at the business center. I was told there's a place I could sleep here. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Yes, I'm gonna sleep for 5 hours. So that's it. Slept a few hours, ate some more dinner. Gotta walk to my gate B8. We take off in about 45 minutes. It starts boarding in about 10 minutes. And yeah, I think it's a 3.5-hour flight to Delhi. I'm just gonna crash the entire flight and wake up in India. We're on board, and this is the 787 Dreamliner by Qatar Airways. Unfortunately, it's only a 3-hour flight to Delhi, and I have to sleep the whole way because I have to hit the ground running. Yeah, I love this business class way more than the last one. This is like an amazing seat. Cheers. I'll see you in incredible India. Everybody told me about the fog in the mornings here in Delhi, but this is unreal. This is crazy. So after traveling for over 24 hours with Qatar Airways from Miami to Doha to Delhi, I finally arrived in my 70th country in India. Guys, I hope you love this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you've flown with Qatar Airways, and subscribe to my channel for awesome travel content. See you in India.